Good morning. Okay, so good morning. Today was a stressful morning because I had to put everything, everything on. That was not everything because I didn't have all the place that I needed to put all the things, all the video on my computer to have more space. But so I really stressful. I think I'm gonna have some place for today, but tomorrow I'm not sure. And today there are also a show at the end of the day at Animal Kingdom at 2 days apart. I didn't have time to have a big breakfast, and now I need to go take the bus. So yeah, I'm stressful this morning. Okay, so the park is not open yet, but I will go to the gate. And also, the first thing I want to do, because I know that the waiting time, the line is really long, is everything about Avatar, so the Pandora as well. Yeah, I need to go there, but I also wanted to see the animation for the opening, because I think that they have that too. Maybe yes, maybe not. I don't know, because I don't remember really have an opening thing at Hollywood, so I don't know if they are going to have this at Animal Kingdom. But yes, so I will straight up to. I also need to buy like a pencil, but it's not a pencil. I don't know the word. I don't even remember the word in French. But I think cover with water, whatever, because of like the things. I don't remember the name of these things, but it's good because you get out from there really wet, and I don't want to be wet all the day because I have a pass for this. But yes, so today will be an amazing day because I wasn't supposed to go to Animal Kingdom. I was supposed to go to Epcot, but I chose Animal Kingdom because of Pandora and also every other thing. I'm sad that I'm going to Epcot, but Epcot is when I go more. It's not more my type of thing for this trip. Like I said, I think the last day for the other vlog. So yeah, so I will go to the security and I will see you in the park. Yeah, that was so freaking beautiful. Seriously. With the music, it was really beautiful. All the color, the music, the the light, really. That always I didn't have expectation, but now that even if I had expectation, it could have been more beautiful. So if I can, I will do it again just to be looking at things that I didn't really at the first time. But yeah, sorry. I should have begun with the I'll say the flight things because now it's a 1 hour long wait. I will maybe try it later. I will check up and think about it, and because I need to also have a bow. But my fast pass is like 11, 12, so I will probably be okay. I will go to the line, the 1 hour line, wait line, because the Pandora will open early because they are always busy, and it's like I asked someone and she said that it, I should go right now because maybe it will be like 2 hours or 3 hours. I will do it right now, so I just need to go to the start of the line. But yeah. Oh my freaking god, that was so cool and beautiful and really amazing, but really cool. I wasn't expecting that. Yes. So right now I'm on to like Everest, I think it's called. And maybe eat something, and if I can like to take a picture with someone, I will just take it. Oh, there are some people like the film up, both up. So yes, but right now I'm going to do the rest. Okay, so that was intense. That was probably the most intense in the but I think not. Maybe because they're really short or I don't know, but maybe it's just me or not as intense as I would like. But yes, so I'm taking very soft and frozen lemonade, and I will see what I will do. I'm not really sure, but yes. Okay, so I just wanted to explain why this vlog was that short and why this is just the hand. The thing is that after that I took pictures with like mascots or like characters. I wasn't really feeling well at all, and even when I went to eat like chicken, like a big lunch, like it was healthy and it wasn't like a dog or things like that, I was still feeling really bad.
I was feeling like everything around me was like just turning inside out, and just I wasn't feeling well at all. So I just decided to just go back to the hotel because I couldn't just stay that, because I was feeling sick and I was scared to just pass out because it was really too hot. And even if when I went to some store like more fresh hair and stuff like that, it wasn't really helping that much. So I didn't have the time to do like the safari thing, and also like it's not like the rafting, but like in the trip, and you just go in water and whatever. It's cool. When I did it when I was like 5, but I couldn't do it that time because I was really not feeling well. So I just, like I just said, I went back to the hotel and just sleeping a little bit, relax, and just eat more. And that was really the end, because it was maybe like 3 p.m. like just after I ate. And that was the day at Animal Kingdom, and but it was really great. Like I love the Avatar thing, like Pandora I think it's called. It was really beautiful. So that was this is the reason why I put a lot of stuff in this vlog, just to you to just look at it and to see how beautiful it is. And that's it. So I hope you enjoy, even if it's really short compared to my other vlogs. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Please put a thumbs up if you like to, and also subscribe for more, and see you in the next vlog.